In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use margin trading on Robinhood from your PC. If you're interested in increasing your buying power and investing with borrowed funds, this guide will walk you through each step, show you what to look out for, and explain important concepts you need to know before you get started. First, let's begin by opening the Robinhood website on your computer. Once the homepage loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. It's important to make sure you're on a secure connection, so double check that the site address is correct before you log in. After you've logged in, look towards the top right of your screen. You'll see the account option. Click there to bring up a small menu, then select Investing. This is where you manage your investing settings and view your portfolio details. Now, on the investing page, look for the option to enable margin. This might be labeled as Enable Margin or something similar, depending on your account status. Click on this option. Before margin trading is activated, you'll be prompted to review the margin agreement. This document outlines how margin works, what you're responsible for, and the risks associated with borrowing funds to invest. Take your time reading through this agreement carefully. Once you understand and agree to the terms, go ahead and accept it. With that, margin trading is now enabled on your account. You should notice an immediate change on your investing page. Your buying power has been updated, and now it includes the additional funds you're able to borrow through margin. This gives you more flexibility to purchase stocks or ETFs, but remember, it also means you're taking on debt that needs to be managed responsibly. From here, you can start using margin. Just click on any stock or ETF you're interested in buying. When you select Buy, the order screen will show whether you are using margin for that transaction. Enter the amount you'd like to purchase, click on Review Order, double check your information, and then select Buy to complete the trade. If you're curious about how much margin you're currently using, it's simple to check. Go back to the account section, click on Margin Investing, and look for your margin balance. This will show you exactly how much money you've borrowed. Now, before you dive in, there are some key points to keep in mind. Margin investing allows you to buy more stocks than your cash alone would allow, but interest does accrue on any borrowed money. That means the longer you carry a margin balance, the more you'll pay in interest. Losses can also be magnified when using margin, so never borrow more than you can afford to cover. Be aware of the maintenance requirement, which is usually around 25 to 30% of your borrowed funds. Falling below this can trigger a margin call, so always monitor your portfolio and available funds. That wraps up our guide today on enabling and using margin in Robinhood. Always invest carefully, and thanks for watching.